Everyone, Paul here. Today I'm going to go over a new EMA strategy. Actually, I was on TikTok yesterday, and there's this guy that goes live on there every day. That he kind of tries to help people with understanding markets and crypto, and this is a bear market, things like that. He definitely has a channel that I recommend checking out. But what he does is he has one of his strategies, and he doesn't day trade, but he knows how to day trade, and he has a premium account on his TradingView, but he has all those EMAs. That's his formula. But what I started doing is I started plugging in my 8 EMA strategy, because that EMA works pretty good by itself. And then I started plugging in with a lot, one of the other EMAs that he listed. So I plugged, since I can only do like 3 EMAs at a time, but I found a good EMA, in addition to what he had on his channel. I chose the 8 EMA, which is what I've been talking about in videos. And let me just unhide that real quick. The 8 EMA is what I've been talking about for a lot of videos here. What I've been saying in previous videos is you just follow this 8 EMA, and it may not give you, it'll give you good results if you just follow this. But what I did is I plugged in the 25 EMA. So I'm going to call this the 825 EMA crossing strategy. This is the one that I do. And after I plugged it in, it's pretty obvious, what's going to happen. You can plug this in, especially with the stock market. You can see where all the gains are going to be, where exactly to do your calls, where exactly to put. If you only have one of these EMAs here, you might get lucky with, the direction's going to go, but with 2 of these EMAs, it'll just confirm it a lot better. You'll visually be able to see it. So I want to use this example right now for, I'm on the stock market. Let's look at the stock market real quick. Let's just look at SPY. So I'm on the hour. Let's make sure these are on the hour too. That's on the hour. Okay, so we're good. So I'm going to show you the example on the hour, and I'm going to show you the example on the day. I think that's what I'll do. I have this on the hour, and what we basically want to do is look at the time. The 8 and the 25 cross. Either they cross up or they cross down. And the moment that they cross, that's basically when you would put in a call or a put. So right here you see that they cross. So what I would do in this situation for the hour is you see the direction of it going down. So you see it crossing and you see it going down. So you can see that the EMA headed down. So you can pretty get a good idea that what I would do at this moment is I would do a put for 403 over there inside. So I would have got in right here. I'd put my put in right around here, and I would ride this out as long as I could. Let's just stop it right there. So this right there is a 12.32. So a 12.32 for the hour is $600 in a day. Not bad. So let's look at another moment that they cross. You see they cross right here. It crosses right here. So at this point, on the hour, I would do a 394 call. So if you do a 394 call right here, and you write it out, that is a 15.83. 15.83 times 50. That's about $800. Not bad for, well, that's 4 days. Well, $800 in 4 days. That's not bad. Now, all these moments where they come close to crossing, you don't do those. You just look for the times when they do cross. They have to cross. Like it crosses right here. So this point right here, you see the 8 and the 25 cross. I would do a 415 put, and then we just look and write that out. So that's a 1302 in 3 days. 1302 times 50. That's about another like $700. 651. So we look for another moment that they cross right here. So 426. This moment I do a 426 put and put it in right around here and write that out. 14.04. You see how it's pretty accurate. I've only seen a couple times where it might have run into some issues, but most of the time, like 98% of the time, it's pretty accurate. Another $700. Okay, and what you can do is once you get a little bit of gains from this, you can scale and buy more contracts. Crosses again right here. And see what here I would do here is I would do a 412 call. So you write this out. And that is a 11.16 right there. That's $600. So I think you guys get the general idea. I'm going to be going more into this in future videos. I just thought I'd talk about it briefly. You can also do this for the day, but I'll talk about that later. Tomorrow I'm going to show you how to do this in crypto. It's pretty easy. You just wait for it to go green, go up. But anyway, if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys in future videos.